In my opinion, The Homesman is about the fortitude of people in a small Midwest town who live a much simpler life. 3 women have lost their minds, gone a little crazy due to some circumstances, and they need a homesman to take them from Nebraska to Iowa, which is a very daunting task during that time.
George Briggs is a character in this movie that I play who helps in this journey. The journey is undertaken by a woman who believes that she can get across Nebraska in a wagon with 3 insane women as passengers. This woman discovers early on that she needs some help. The help that's available to her is a scurrilous character, a claim jumper, army deserter, an independent man of rather low character. He is rescued by this woman from a very dangerous situation, and he's indebted to help her get the wagon across Nebraska.
You never see a movie either about this kind of movie about women, about the victimization and the objectification of women. I feel like it's always what you think of the American West in a movie are cowboys and
saloons and gunfights and
and men. But it is a very female-centric story.
This is the story of homesteaders. This is the story of the territories. These are the ancestors of the people in Oklahoma, Nebraska, Kansas, the people who just decided to try a completely different life and take on an incredible risk. People of such courage, a lot of foolhardy people, a lot of people who miscalculated and misjudged their own capacities for endurance and resilience. It's a story that has not been told very often.
I read something that went back to the simplicity and the beauty of real humans. There was no fancy effects, and it was just simple heart, writing, people, emotions, and it touched me deeply because you just don't find that anymore. You just don't find it anymore.